Becoming a pilot. It's a dream for many, the freedom of the skies, the skill, the travel. But behind the romanticized image is serious work. Flight training is demanding. It requires commitment, resilience, and a deep passion for aviation. Think of it like learning a new language, not just speaking it but thinking in it. You're mastering aerodynamics, meteorology, navigation, and communication, all while controlling a complex machine. There are exams, flight hours, and practical tests to conquer. It's not just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding the why behind every action. How does an airplane actually fly? How do weather systems impact flight? What happens when things don't go as planned? This journey transforms you. It pushes you to your limits and reveals your capabilities, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Let's take a closer look at what it really takes to earn your wings. Flight training isn't just about learning to fly. It's about learning to learn. You need to absorb vast amounts of information quickly. Some concepts click easily, others require more effort. There will be setbacks. Everyone experiences them. Maybe you struggle with a particular maneuver, fail a test, or have a frustrating flight. This is normal. Don't let it discourage you. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with the unexpected. Weather changes, equipment malfunctions, and air traffic control can all throw you off course. Learning to adapt and make safe decisions under pressure is crucial. Another hurdle is the financial commitment. Flight training is expensive. There are costs for flight hours, instruction, exams, and materials. Factor this into your planning. Your flight training journey will be marked by key milestones. Each one signifies progress and builds your confidence. It starts with your first solo flight. This is a defining moment. You're alone in the cockpit, fully responsible for the aircraft. It's exhilarating and empowering. Then there's your first cross-country flight. This tests your navigation skills as you fly between different airports, dealing with varying weather and airspace. Instrument training is another big step. You'll learn to fly using instruments alone without relying on external visual cues. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to fly in all weather conditions. Finally, you'll face the check ride. This practical exam tests everything you've learned, from takeoff to landing and everything in between. Passing your check ride is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Ready to embark on your own flight training adventure? Here are some insider tips to help you succeed. First, find the right instructor. Your relationship with your instructor is crucial. Look for someone experienced, patient, and who you connect with well. Second, study consistently. Don't cram for exams. Develop a regular study routine and break down complex topics into manageable chunks. Third, practice makes perfect. The more you fly, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Take advantage of every opportunity to practice your skills. Fourth, don't be afraid to ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question in aviation. If you're unsure about something, always ask for clarification. Lastly, enjoy the journey. Flight training is challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Embrace the experience and celebrate your accomplishments